afternoon to all of you. Pwede siguro sa kabataan sa lalawigan, supposedly, there are 9 divisions involved in the participation of sinulog sa kabataan sa lalawigan, but 3 divisions break off with their participation due to different reasons. But they put up only 2 contingents, one for the elementary and one for the secondary. Then Toledo, Lapu-Lapu, and Car-Car is not joining this 2014. But for Talisay, we have only one. Talisay Central School, Elementary. For Pugo, I was able to persuade Dr. Boko, La Paz National High School for secondary. Then for Mandawi, we have only one for the elementary, Mandawi City Central School. For Danao, there are 2, Sabang National High School and Taytay Elementary School. And for Naga, I was able to talk to Tata yesterday. He was in our office, Old National High School for secondary and Langtat Elementary School for elementary. And for the Cebu province, we have Tuburan National High School and Interpilat Elementary Schools. So all in all, I hope they will change their mind. We have only 4 secondary and 5 elementary.